first mistake, and I read the directions thoroughly. Look what I did. This is where you poke the holes in the shelves. I have it on the outside. It needs to be on the inside. So you have to take all the screws out again, try it again. First mistake. I'm sure there'll be many, many more. I'm reading the directions, really I am. And this is labeled on the directions D. Why does it say E? If it clearly says a D on the directions. Okay, this is the top. This is the bottom. This is the front. Yes. A, B. Why is this crooked? Why is this crooked? What? Why is that side up higher? Oh. Why is this screw different? What the hell? What screw am I supposed to be using? Why are these all flat and that one's not? Oh, for heaven's sakes. Son of a bitch. Why is one screw different? So what is this one for? Why are they giving me one odd screw? Oops. Oh, my wrist. God. Okay. This is the back, right? Did I do it again? Okay. Alright. This is the... Alright, wait a minute. This is A, that's B, that's C. How come it doesn't say A on it? What's the top? Is this the top or is this the top? Oh, this is... What? Okay, what? Ouch! Oh, son of a bitch. Okay, things are in there. There's one there. Ow, that goes there. Right? Looks good. Then the other shelves slide in, right? Okay. Still don't know what this bubble screw is for. Maybe it's extra. They always give you extra parts, right? And there's what you call your extra part. Okay, now. Stickers. There is a crap load of extra parts. Whole bunch of extra. But I think they're just to cover like the little holes. And I think these are for if you want to put it. Why is there only one? If you're stacking them, and these if you're stacking them, dowels, which I'm not stacking them. This mystery screw, probably for the, oh, that's what's probably for here, if you want to put it against the wall. Or against, I don't know, I'm not, whatever it is. I don't think I need that part. Okay, these are for the shelves, and I only have two, so let's see. Kind of middle-ish. here-ish, so maybe here. Maybe here-ish. Ishy-ish. About-ish. Here. Alright. And that would be over. Okay, is that the right way? No. Is it? That doesn't look right. I guess so. Which other way? There is no other way to put it. Oh, yes, there is. Duh, Lori. Oh, my God. Oh, swear I am an idiot. Upside down. Duh. Oh, great. This one's stuck. Come on. I got it. This way. Alright. Why is there not one to... What? Look at this. There's one here. And there's not one to match up. That doesn't match up. Are you kidding me? Maybe here, but it doesn't look like it. Let's try it. Yeah? Alright, I guess that's right. Look at that. I made a shelf. Okay. Now, whoop. The next shelf, about here. I guess that looks good. Why did these not look even to me? Oh, Lord. Alright, now. The back. Probably should have put the back in before I put the shelves in. Alright, now this barely lines up. And I got these microscopic screw hammer nail things. Tiny. Itty bitty. Alright. Yes, I'm opening them with my mouth. My teeth. Okay. I'm going to do each corner first. Ow. Okay. Right. Sorry to my neighbors. Aw, man, am I doing this right? No. Son of a bitch. This has to face the other way. Oh, my dad, Lori. Right now I ripped it. You want it this way so that shows in there, idiot. Oh, I'm glad I found out after the second screw. Okay. I am a dyslexic freaking mess. Doesn't really need all these nails. I don't think so. No. I'm only putting yarn in it. Doesn't need that many nails. I won't tell if you don't. Oops. Come on. I have a feeling that one went through. One more. We'll only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 extras. That's okay. Oops. Oh, that was the top. Aw, crap. I just cracked the top. Son of a bitch. Alright. I think that was the top. Yes, that was the top. Oh, great. Ah! Jesus. God. Done. Done. I'm done. Well, it's all done. Beautiful. And good enough. Down there's all my black yarn, so you can't really see it, but I got that. And over here, I have my circulars. So, a little bit more organized.